Okay, a little hole. V it out. Compress that base back and forth, back and forth. My fingers moving back and forth and pushing down. And I'm taking that clay that's like that thick and I'm compressing it down to be like 1/4 inch or 3/8 of an inch because I want that clay to be compressed so that no S-crack forms. And I can either leave it flat like this or I can put a little swirl in there. I'll leave it flat on this one. Wet my edges, collar it in, form a little volcano. That's what that means. Okay, now I'm just moving up that clay up and in to form a volcano. Okay, let's get those. Make sure your walls inside and out are wet. And then we're just digging. I'm digging this hand down and pushing it against that tile bat. And I'm forming a little tuft of clay while this hand's moving out, pushing out. So I got that little tuft of clay. And now what I'm doing is you see that bulge. I'm just pushing that bulge up and in, up and in. Because I want vertical height. Slow your wheel down as you're pulling those walls up and try to keep those fingers as equidistant apart as you can. Okay, so I think this one is the volcano, if I'm not mistaken. So a little bit extra, that's okay. I'll show you how to cut it off if you have extra. So sometimes you don't nail the height perfect, and that's all right. So pushing that in, getting the base first, and then now here's what I don't like. I don't like that this is touching at the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and collar this in here just a hair, just so it's not tempted to drag on the top while I'm trying to form it on the bottom. That's where it can snag and kind of get a little misshapen. Okay, so I got the bottom here. And then we'll go up the top of the wall real slow and form that top part. Little bulb of clay at the top. Boom, and we're done. That top bulb of clay is aesthetic, but it's also structural. And once this is a little bit leather hard, there's ways to clean up the lips. You always want your lip to be amazing because that's where people are going to be. That's going to be their point of contact. The handle and the lip is where they're going to be experiencing, touching your mug. Outside too, the surface of the outside too. But that is the volcano shape. See that there? That's the shape of the volcano. I like that shape a lot.